Hello, Mi Band users. Uh, we all are facing problems for the last 1 years. As soon as Xiaomi decided to replace their old and good Mi Fit app for their Mi Band Fit and replace with Zepp Life. After that, we the users are constantly facing many bugs like in my band touch to wake is not working, and this is the story for last few months. So when I am checking Google Play Store recently, I have seen that a new Zepp Life app update is here, and as always it mentioned we improved user experience and fixed known bugs. I don't know what that is, but let's tap update and hope for the best. Okay, the app is updating. Okay, this is the app details. The app is installing. Okay, let's open the app. It's connecting to my Mi Band 6. I never faced this type of problem in Mi Band 4 or 5, which I have used earlier. Data syncing is going on. Yes, sync successfully. Let's tap my band. Okay, this is not working. It's turning on display on its own. Let's check another thing. Is there any device update for my watch? Check for updates. No update available. That's it, my friends. Zepp Life again updated, and again our problem is not fixed. I don't know what to say. Let me know in the comment section what are the problem you are facing with Zepp Life or Mi Band. Thank you.